Hello everyone, today in front of me I have Google Pixel 5a, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how you can bypass parental controls on this device. So, to start, I would like to point out right away that this method will only work if you know the password to the child's Google account. Otherwise, unfortunately, you will have to look for another way. So, launch settings. First of all, let me confirm that my parental controls are indeed active. As you can see, they are. From here, you will need to tap at the Manage Your Google Account button over here. Then at the following page or service, open Data and Privacy section. Scroll the page all the way down, then tap at the Delete Your Google Account. Do not be afraid, we will recover the account right after Family Link or Parental Control will be turned off, so you will not lose your Google account by any means. In here, to proceed, we will need to enter the password to the child's Google account, so that's what I'm going to do. At the following page, check those two boxes, then tap at the Delete Account button, and as the following message, you can get two types of pages. You can either get this one that says something went wrong, or the page that will explicitly confirm that you have successfully deleted the Google account. Both are fine, and both pretty much signalize that we have done everything right. Let me show you that my parental controls are disabled at this point, so no accounts linked. And if I open up parental controls, as you can see, they are disabled. Now all that it's left to do is to recover the Google account, which you can do by simply using it to log into the Play Store. So that's what I'm going to do. Enter the email address first, then you will get the specific type of message that will say that the account was recently deleted and may be recoverable, which very obviously tells that we did everything right and we are on the right path, on the right track. From here, let me quickly enter my Google password as well. In here, in most occasions, you will get the something went wrong message, which is normal, as I mentioned. Just sign in to your account, enter your credentials all over again. So basically, at this point, the Google account was recovered. So if you do not want to log into with it, you do not have to. But in my case, let me just make it so that I will have solid proof to confirm you that the account is actually restored. And then just proceed with all usual Google sign-in procedures as normal. And here we have it, our Google account was successfully recovered, parental controls disabled, so great success already. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.